Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Last week I showed you a Scribbler unboxing, and today I decided that I was going to get busy and I'm going to show you another unboxing. This time it's a gift box from a very nice lady who is also a writer, and I'm going to tell you all about her, the box, and all the contents next on Writer Groupie. First, let me just say that it is July. And this is the beginning of the third quarter. And I have already got a lot accomplished, as you can see on my done section. You know, this is my to-do, this is my doing, and this is my done. And I have already accomplished a great deal in the month of July, and I'm excited about that. And I want to talk about that also. One, two, three. Hey everybody. I also wanted to tell you that we are about a week and a half or so post book release. If you didn't know, The Inn on Main Street is out. It is available on Amazon, and you need to go and get it. Don't forget, book 1, In the Holler. Book 2, The Inn on Main Street. And I'm just telling you now, book 3 is nearing completion. So if you haven't gotten the first and second book in the Mount Moriah series, I want to encourage you to go out there and do that. Do that today and make that a part of your reading schedule. Put it on your TBR list and let's get busy reading the Mount Moriah series. I have had so much fun writing these books. It's like candy. They are standalones, but they're just a part of a series. And you know, how fun would it be to have all the books in a series on your Kindle? I am planning on bringing them out in paperback next year, so if you're a paperback reader, just hold that thought. Now, what you all came to do was to see an unboxing, and I got the box for you. Let me explain where this box came from. I have loved every book in a series by a particular author. I have bought every one of them. That I'm all the way up to book 10 in the series, and she's just finished book 11 and she's working on book 12, and I think book 12 is going to be the end of the series, which makes me really sad because, as those of you who know me well know, I don't like to end series. I didn't even finish the last book in the Harry Potter series because I didn't want to see it end. I had to really work hard to get to the last book in the Lord of the Rings trilogy because I just loved it so much. It was sad to see it end. And I'm just that way. My husband doesn't like that too much about me because, like the whole Breaking Bad series, I got down to maybe the last 5 of the videos in the series, and I wouldn't watch it anymore because I'm convinced they're going to kill off my favorite character. I don't think they do, and I may have to go back and watch to be sure. But that's just it, you guys. I don't like the ending to series. I just get so involved in the characters and the story, and I just enjoy it so much, and it becomes such a part of my daily routine to read or to watch those shows that it's sad for me for a series to end. Well, guess what? This author is going to end that series with book 12, and I'm a little bit sad about that. But anyway, make a long story short, I began following this author on social media, and I found out she had a YouTube channel. And I started watching all her videos, and I started with the very first one, and I've watched every one of them all the way up to the current day. She also has a secondary YouTube channel for her readers, and I've watched, you know, just a multitude of those. And I'm just telling you, I mean, I guess I'm a little bit obsessed with this writer. She's just phenomenal. She's phenomenal as a person, first of all, but she's phenomenal as a writer, most of all. And that's how most people come to find her. And that's how I found her. Her name is Sarra Cannon, and her YouTube channel is called Heart Breathings, and that's the one that's for writing people, writers, and creatives. And then her secondary channel is called Sarra Cannon. And you can find her on all the social media sites as Sarra Cannon or as Heart Breathings, depending on what you're looking for and what she's involved in. And she had a giveaway, you guys. I was so excited. In June, she had a giveaway. She had all these goodies that she was giving away. And I put my name in the hat. And I was so incredulous when I won because I just am not a lucky person as a general rule. Now, I have won some things, but you know, it's not like an everyday occurrence by any stretch of the imagination, not even a once a month or once a year sometimes. But I won this box and I'm excited about it, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Are you ready? I am. She's put me a sweet little card in here congratulating me about my win, and it's almost like a prize for me to have her signature because I really believe she's going to be a very famous author one day. I believe they're going to make a series, a television series or a Netflix series or a series of some kind out of moviedom on her Shadow Demon series. It's just too good not to make it into something big. So here we go. Let's unbox. Okay. This is bubble wrap, you guys. This bubble wrap's trying to kill me. First thing I got is some fine tip markers, a 24-pack of Erin Condren fine tip markers. You guys, I was just looking at some fine tip markers at the store the other day, and I almost got them, and I'm really glad I didn't because I got these. Thank you, Sarra Cannon. Also in here is a delightful planny pack. It's pack your accessories in so you can plan it all out. It's a stylish pack that holds your pen and essentials while the elastic band slips easily over your planner for on-the-go organization. Well, golly, she knows me well to know that I needed this little planny pack. And this is what Erin Condren calls the mid-century circles. And I just love this design. It's very colorful and fun, and I got the planny pack. Also in here is Erin Condren interchangeable pen kit. This is scribble design, write and highlight. It has 4 chisel tip, 3 bullet tip, 6 fine tip, and 2 barrels. And you know me, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with this. I'll be coloring and drawing. I'm gonna be mighty busy in my planning stuff, you guys, because I got stuff to play with. Also, stickies, little stickies of all different kinds. Some are lined and some are not, but they're different shapes and sizes. How fun is this? Also by Erin Condren. Thank you, Sarah. I'm so excited. I'm like a kid at Christmas. Also, this is a little to-do list that will snap into a planner. It's got these little holes here that snap in. I'm going to show you the planner next. And here it is. I'm so excited. It's the Kindness is Beautiful planner. And you guys, is it not gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. And y'all, if you follow me on social media, you'll know that I have been doing posts for years and years and years on Tuesday called Kindness Tuesday. And I kind of stopped doing it on Tuesday, and instead I just kind of put it out there whenever I, get inspired or whatever to post something up about kindness. But if you would just think about it for a minute and realize that you need to be kind. You need to, because how are you ever going to recognize it when it comes back to you if you're not kind to others? So you be kind. And that's my admonition for today. Let's play. Okay, I'm going to set it to the side for just a moment, because there's more stuff. Oh my gosh. There's dashboards. It says reach for the stars, and it looks almost like some type of sea life. And you guys know I'm a Floridian now, so this is delightful. I can't wait. Here's another one. This must be the back one. There's a kind of a different look inside. I've got it upside down. That's the inside, and that's the back. And finally, ta-da! I have received an Erin Condren mid-century pen. It's going to be my absolute favorite pen of all my pens. I'm so excited to have it. Thank you so much, Sarra Cannon. Thank you so much. Sarra Cannon. Well, now I know y'all wanted to see the inside of the planner, so here we go. Currently, the covers are the Kindness is Beautiful with the beautiful peonies and flowers. These are the ones that I can change it out to. This is the first page, the monthly planner. It's a monthly planner, and look at this beautiful design inside. If you want something you've never had, do something you've never done. Boy, is that not true. Calendars, you guys, from 2021 into 2022, and I can certainly use that. Then it's a goal page where you have, I think this is 12 months. I think you can set up your goals for every month in the year or the next 2 years. There's a notes page. Then the next tab says July. I'm so glad I got it because it is July. Here's the July 2021 calendar. I just love how it's laid out. It's gorgeous. It's really, really pretty. Notes page, got lots of notes. Got a journaling to do, you guys. And if you know me, you know I do that every day. And then August, and I think it's pretty much the same. You have some sections where you can just do, you know, to-do lists and maybe some sweet quotes, and there's some dot grid for you to do some other things. And so I'm excited for that. And then you got your journal pages. And that's how it goes for the whole monthly layout all the way through into 2022. And I am so excited. At the very back, there's a nice little folder. You can stick your Post-it notes or, you know, any of your that kind of stuff. And so, yay! I am excited, and I just cannot say thank you enough, Sarra Cannon. You guys be sure and check the link down below. You can go to Sarah's sites. I'm going to list all of them because I want for you to be able to enjoy this great writer, her books, her work, and all the things that she does for the writing community especially. But she is a true trooper when it comes to her fans. She takes care of her fans. And so you want to go out and check her out. And once again, thank you so much, Sarah, for all these lovely gifts. I have just marveled over all this stuff. I can't believe it. I am just in planner heaven. I'm going to get so much accomplished. And I am so grateful to have you for my friend. Until next time, you guys.